Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk about something that's completely changed the way I look at content creation, income, and even privacy online. If you've ever felt like you're watching other people succeed on platforms like YouTube or TikTok while you're stuck on the sidelines, I completely get it. That was me not too long ago. I didn't want to show my face, I had no editing skills, and honestly, I didn't even think I had anything worth sharing. But then I came across a concept that opened the door to a whole new world: faceless content. You've probably seen those short videos online that rack up millions of views but don't show anyone's face. No personal vlogs, no elaborate camera setups, just simple, short, impactful videos. And what's even more surprising? Many of those creators are making real money from that content, and they're doing it anonymously. That's where Social Money Reels comes in. Social Money Reels is a system built around creating short-form faceless videos that can be published on platforms like YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and even Meta. What makes it stand out is how beginner-friendly it is. You don't need fancy equipment. You don't need to be a tech genius. You don't even need to be super creative. Everything is broken down into simple steps that anyone can follow. What really impressed me is that this isn't just about chasing views or hoping a video goes viral. The system focuses on creating content that can actually be monetized in different ways, even before you have a big following. It teaches you how to spot trends, build engaging scripts, and produce videos using tools you already have or can access easily. Some of it even involves using AI to help speed up the process, which is a game changer, especially if you're short on time. Now, I know it can sound too good to be true, but the way this system is designed, it's not about getting rich overnight or gaming the algorithm. It's about building a simple, repeatable method that can bring in income over time, and sometimes faster than you'd expect. There are real people, just like you and me, who've used the blueprint to launch channels and start seeing results. Not everyone becomes a millionaire, but many are making enough to supplement their income or even replace their 9-to-5 jobs. The types of content you can create are also incredibly versatile. You can make videos around motivational quotes, satisfying visuals, simple animations, useful tips, or viral facts. These niches don't require you to be on camera or even speak on video. In fact, the simplicity is part of the magic. Some of the most successful faceless channels are built on visuals and text overlays alone. And when it comes to monetization, the guide goes beyond the typical ad revenue route. It dives into methods like affiliate marketing, product promotions, and digital offerings, giving you more ways to earn from each video. So even if a video doesn't hit millions of views, it can still generate solid income if you've set it up correctly. Another thing I appreciate is that this isn't a massive, overwhelming course filled with fluff. It's a step-by-step system that you can actually start using today. From finding content ideas to editing tricks that save hours, everything is focused on simplicity and speed. You get templates, toolkits, and examples that show you exactly how it's done. If you're someone who values your privacy but still wants to take part in the creator economy, this is a path worth considering. It shows that you don't need to be a social media influencer to succeed online. You just need the right strategy, the right tools, and the willingness to try something new. So if you've ever felt like creating content wasn't for you because you didn't want to be on camera, or you didn't know where to start, this might be exactly what you've been looking for. I know for me, discovering this method has opened a whole new set of opportunities, and it's something I wish I knew about sooner. Thanks for watching, and as always, if you found this video helpful, feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.